Alright guys, let's get straight into this video. As you can see, I am handcuffed. So you already know what's gonna happen. We're gonna go we are gonna go handcuff ourselves to Troy, which is probably gonna be more torture for me. Damn it, I can't get it. Hold on. I gotta put the camera down. Still in his boxes and everything. What? What? I don't know what you're saying, but you seem kind of happy. Guys, comment down below if you understand what he's saying, because I don't. I know it's gonna be a beautiful day.
It's just not gonna be fun.
Alright guys, so I had to switch it because he's already so ow. So I switched it. So it's on my left hand now and it's on his right hand.
Stop pulling me so much, babe.
Wait, let's go show us in the thing.
Bro, you're pulling me too hard.
Well, then follow.
I am. Hold hands.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Bithlow, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 69 and a low of 49.
Welcome to my life.
This is a flattering angle. Look at us go. Put your head in this way. Excuse me.
So this is my life of Troy with me. Exactly with me. Every step of the way. Cause there's no room in here. You're right next to me.
Somebody's getting loud.
Alright, so it's cold. So I'm gonna put on some pants today. How are we gonna put my arm through the shirt?
That's a good question.
Oh my gosh. Alright. What should I wear, babe? Usually pick up
We're going to the gym, so...
Not right now?
Yeah, but later.
Yeah, so...
So what, you trying to be fresh right now?
Alright, fine. I can still be fresh with simple stuff.
That's what we have to do. See, guys, I'm the fashion oh, God, that freaking mountain on my face is crazy. I hope you guys enjoy it. His name is Bob. He's a co-star today for our show.
You ain't funny.
Shut the... Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm the fashion designer. Anything that Troy wears,
No, come on.
I came up with.
Oh, look in the mirror, guys. Alright.
Look in the mirror.
Let's do what
I
we do.
see a great man.
Let's try and do this. We're freaking handcuffed. I don't know. I'm gonna get my arm through. Alright. Do the other side first. Other side is good. I might just wear half a shirt today.
I think you're gonna have to.
You going in with me?
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god, there's no way we can do that.
Ow! I'm going.
You going?
Yeah.
You're stretching my shirt out.
Ow! You pinched my skin!
I'm sorry, Mia.
Yeah. We can't bend our arm.
How does this look?
Dope.
Y'all see this? Look, I'm wearing a little crop top.
Okay, this is really stretching your shirt out.
I know. Get out of here.
You help me get out.
Babe.
You have to get out too.
Okay. Okay.
We're just gonna have to. We're gonna have to cheat, okay? Fuck. Alright, guys, I'm putting my hand. You gotta come down with me. Ouch.
Pick him up. Pick him up.
These smell really freaking good. Oh, damn it.
No.
I even put my shirt on already, so we didn't have to go through that. Alright, I got my outfit on. I'm gonna do my hair now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Yo. I'm gonna just stand here and play Park and Ride, babe.
If you can.
If I can with the left hand.
You should have been brushing your damn hair.
No, my hair already basically brushed.
Alright, and then we about to leave and you be like, hold on, I gotta brush my hair. We're done. My hair is done.
This is ridiculous. Now try this at home. You look beautiful though, babe.
Thank you.
Oh,
I need
yeah.
to brush my eyebrows.
Oh Lord. Just need to brush the eyebrows, guys. I can't work the zoom on this thing as effectively like I do. Hurry up.
You know, you're very bitchy. Are we ready to go?
Yeah, I gotta put my earrings in now.
Can you back up away from me?
I can't. I can't. Unfortunately, I can't today, babe. I got this. Whew.
Wow, that was easy. I think that's the best thing you're best at.
Put my hands in. Ooh, I need to lotion my hands. Come here.
Oh yeah, that's what you use to lotion your hands now?
Yeah, since it's right there. Accessible.
It's accessible?
It's accessible.
Accessible.
Ah!
What?
I'm moving my hands. The handcuffs are tight every time I move.
Why do you think you're like that?
This is interesting, you know?
I can't stop staring at my ass in the mirror.
Yeah.
I'm thick. Thick mist train on the way.
Thickness train?
Thick mist.
Thickness train?
Thick mist. Like Christmas?
Thick mist?
Thick mist.
Thick mist? Game over. Yes, this video is over.
No, it's just getting started. You need to watch out with those camera angles because Bob is really, baby, come on.
I'm sorry. Good, hold on, no, stay down here. I gotta put my socks on.
God, this is taking so long. Hurry up.
Is it really like building a bond, like strength? Like
Strength?
unity? You know what I'm saying? Like really getting this really close. Like we have to do everything
No, it's
today.
making me hate you more. I'm just kidding. People probably think I really hate you because I talk so much like that. I don't really hate him, guys. It's just funny to be mean. It's not funny, but... Wow, you put your shoes on pants.
Where's Aston?
Nobody heard that.
You put your shoes in pants?
I said you put your shoes on pants.
Fast?
Because I was looking at your pants.
Yeah. Yeah. That's that fire. You good?
He's not sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me a kiss now.
You moisturize my teeth.
Yeah, your teeth gotta be on point. Oh, Shawty looking thick on that counter though. She's wearing black. You can't really see it in the camera. We're trying to get in the car, y'all. Oh shit. Alright, you're in first. She's in successfully.
You have to follow after me.
I'm coming. Oh gosh. Oh my wrist. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, we did it, babe. I'm proud of you.
Oh my god.
How you feeling? You actually in?
Oh, yeah, I'm in.
Yo, we're doing it.
That just made me even hungrier.
Hey, good thing I'm a good one-handed driver, guys, with both hands.
Oh, yeah?
And we off. We off. Guys, do not try this at home, for real. We are professionals in everything we do. We are professionals.
At life.
At life, man. Let's go.
I love you.
I like too.
Your dimples are so fucking cute.
You cute.
Oh, I just put my finger up your nose.
Look at Bob. I know. That was a good, ugly name for him.
Yeah, I named him Bob because he's building.
He's on the Bob.
Bob the Builder.
This is my right hand. I am not a lefty. Look at her. Look, she could eat comfortably. Oh, actually, okay, I got this. You got this. Come with me.
Did you try it?
No.
Yes, you did. I gave it to you.
I did it.
You're a liar.
That's her happy food dance. Baby, moving me too much. You forgot you were attached today.
No, I'm not excited. Oh, you're messing me up.
I'm free. I'm free. I know.
Come back here.
This video's making me realize I really don't like you that much.
We're eating seafood.
Oh my
Seafood.
god. Yo. What the fuck are you doing, dude? Yeah. This food got you feeling real good, huh? Yeah. You coughing right in your hand. You nasty. Don't
It's
touch
not
me.
a sick cough.
How you know? I don't care what it is. I don't want
It's
your
a
saliva.
cough that almost choked, bitch.
Yo, if she curses one more time, we're gonna kick her out. I don't like you. Where you at? Hell, you see my finger? I don't like you. Yeah. Yeah.
Stop. Do what I freaking do to stop.
Yeah, I do what I freaking dare you to. Stop. Why is she on the ground right now?
You're pushing. Baptiste you.
Baptiste you? You should not just say Baptiste me, babe. RKO. Me, Randy Orton. RKO, not the Batista bomb.
Okay.
Yo, get on her right now. All my true wrestling fans, get on her right now. She just spit on my hand. Get it off there.
Get out of my face.
Oh.
Yeah. Ew, try it. Get off of me. Ugly.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
No.
Baby, eat it. Eat it. For real, I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you on the podcast. Oh, eat
Stop.
it. Oh, my wrist.
Stop. Your head is so big.
Yo, get these handcuffs off of me.